Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily updates, so we are holding strong, guys. Let's see where are we going. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. You get many benefits, including automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more. You can cancel anytime you like, and only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more and I want to give everyone the time needed. So the link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. Also, the link for the Telegram group chat is in the description down below. We are a community that grows together. We help each other every day with beautiful members. And hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. And we are going now to see important support levels. I've drawn my Fibonacci retracement, guys, from this bottom right here, as you can see, 1 USDT around there, ending up to this top 1.49, right? We just went up, guys. Let's see how much we went upwards. Almost 50%. Amazing performance in these few days for Cardano, and you can see now that we met the 1.50 around there. We just went down to 1.37, our first Fibonacci retracement level, the 0.236. So we are holding nice, very nice. We made some higher high and the higher low pattern. Now we want to see whether we are going down from 1.35. Next stop is the 1.30 around this area of support level, and of course we have one at 1.55 and 1.61 Tether USD as a resistance level for Cardano ADA, right? So let's see now the MACD. The MACD, we surpassed this resistance level, and now our next goal is to surpass the high that we formed back on 4th July. So we need now a bullish recross, and we don't want to go below this support level right here. We need to keep forming higher lows and higher highs. It is so important, guys, in the 4-hour frame on the MACD. The 4-hour frame is this. On the trading view, if you click here, you get to the 4 hours. So I use it most of the time, guys. The 4 hours seems to work better for me. Some other traders might use the 1 hour, the 1 day, the 1 week. I use the 4 hours, the 1 day, and the 1 hour, sometimes even the 6 hours. Actually, I don't go into minutes. All right, so let's go now to the RSI and the commodity channel index. You can see here that on the commodity channel index we went a little bit above the 100 and we immediately corrected. So once we get into an overbought situation, we had the correction, the Bitcoin due to the Bitcoin's action as well. You can see the RSI now is a little bit downwards, going downwards, but I want to see now if we can just stop around here and go into an overbought situation. That's good. That will be very good, and I think that we can even break the 1.49 to 50 and even go to 1.55, guys. The same here for the commodity channel index. It doesn't matter. A commodity channel index it is more sensitive to the price action, and therefore we go quicker into an overbought situation. We go quicker into an oversold situation down from minus 100. So the stochastic RSI, guys, is between 20 and 80. 20 is the bottom, 80 is the top for the stochastic RSI in the default settings, and now we are in the middle around there. So we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation. We look forward to see if we can hold the 50-day EMA as support level, even the 20-day EMA, and of course keep having the higher low pattern for the RSI. It is very important not to drop all the way down, because if we do that, guys, then we will lose many important support levels. For now, the 20-day EMA after the bullish cross here on 29th June is going above the 50-day EMA. We almost had the bearish cross right here, but we avoided that, and now we are moving upwards. Let's go to the daily frame. We had a buying opportunity according to the SSL hybrid, not a selling opportunity yet, but however, guys, the SSL hybrid is better at finding good buying opportunities, not good selling opportunities. So I believe that even if we had here a good selling opportunity, we wouldn't see it in the SSL hybrid. Let's go in the Bollinger Bands in case we are in the top line of the Bollinger Bands. We are not there yet, but we are close to the top line of the Bollinger Bands. And you always know when we approach the top line, we usually have a selling opportunity, right? So therefore we are not there yet, but we approach there. On the commodity channel index, guys, on the daily we are not in an overbought situation. That is very good. We can grow even higher. You can see the higher low pattern formed right here on the commodity channel index, the RSI as well. We have room to grow. We want to grow more, right? We want to grow more. Although we had a lower low pattern right here, we want to make a reversal head and shoulders pattern, and this will be our left, our head, our right shoulder. Now we want to break above, right? So definitely this is the other strategy we need. A bullish cross here on the daily MACD, a very nice bullish cross, and we need some further distance right now in order to go even higher between the blue line and the signal line. The stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation, unlike the commodity channel index and the RSI, guys. So let's go to a Bitcoin chart. You can see we are a little bit above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Now we are following the 50-day EMA. We don't close beyond the 50-day, even the 20-day. As you can see here, we are standing good. On the commodity channel index, we were in an overbought situation. We are not right now. And the reason that we are going upwards is the Cardano Bitcoin chart, guys. Because we are outperforming Bitcoin, that means we can go even higher. You can see the higher low pattern we are forming right now on the higher high. Eventually going again above the 70 will be great. Will be great, guys, to just go into 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, right? So it will be very good to go there. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, as you can see, we are on the verge of the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. We want to go upwards to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. On the daily, the 20-day MA didn't even cross the 50-day MA, guys. Amazing performance for ADA against Bitcoin chart. Although we are in an overbought situation on the ADA Bitcoin chart on the daily, on the RSI we are not. But we have to be careful, right? We have to be careful. We don't want to be greedy. And of course, if you have profits, you can take them. But on the USDT valuation, we can grow more. The stochastic RSI now is at the top again of the overbought situation. So we have to be a little bit careful for ADA Bitcoin chart. And of course, let's go now to ADA USDT to see some important things. First of all, guys, we have the 1.37 as our major support level, 1.61 and one in between, guys, the resistance level at around 1.55. Okay, 55 Tether USD. We are in the USDT around there, guys. 1.55 around there is our next resistance level in case we make the 1.49 as a support level. So eventually, guys, the 1.3757 is our major support line. In case we lose that, then we are going surely down to 1.30, and maybe if we lose the 1.30, we have the 1.25 as our major support levels for now. If you saw the RSI is moving upwards, guys. Higher lows and higher highs, that is good. Bitcoin on the other side, we are having a bearish here moment. We want to see if we can keep having higher lows and lower highs, eventually getting into a squeeze point where we will decide whether we go downwards or upwards. For the time being, guys, we are approaching an oversold situation on the commodity channel index for Bitcoin. It is important to watch Bitcoin, guys, because if ADA stops outperforming Bitcoin and corrects, then it will depend a lot more on Bitcoin rather than now, because right there we had this huge moment of 50% price upwards for Cardano because we could outperform Bitcoin. Therefore, if we stopped outperforming, then we would depend a lot on Bitcoin's movement, and of course, we won't be able to go upwards if Bitcoin falls down further and further more. But guys, I believe that we might be able to see in the midterm, not in the next few hours or days, but in the midterm, we might be able to see a little bit of a higher price. We will see about that, though. We have to be very careful because Bitcoin, guys, is having these enormous price actions, guys, where we go upwards and downwards at the same time, like so much. You can see here we moved 3% and more downwards in just 4 hours, right? So it is definitely some huge here correction going on and some huge pump ups. You can see how quickly we go down and up. We are moving along the top line here, the bottom line, and we want to see whether we are going downwards or upwards. For ADA, this means, guys, that if we go upwards, then we will surely be going to 1.55, right? No doubt about that. For the time being, the 1.37, 1.38 is our support levels, and you need to observe for now whether we break down from here. If we go to 1.30, you want to invest some more to 1.25, some more than previously, and of course less money here or around 1.37. That's a good buying strategy to minimize the risk and of course to have profits, right? Our next targets, you know already, for Cardano ADA, 1.55, 1.61. We can have another minor shrink high here if we can follow the higher low pattern. Therefore, guys, ADA can push up to one more shrink high to 1.55, but we need to make these as support level first. In order to minimize the risk, you need to make the 1.49 as support level. Making the 1.49 as a support level then will eventually get you to 1.55 to 1.56 and 1.61, so you can have a very nice swing trade there. However, for now, just be careful a little bit. You can get like 4% or even 7%, and just wait a little bit for now. But in overall, guys, it looks good. I can't say that ADA doesn't look good, and on the long term it looks better, guys. For me, for the long term, you can even buy right now. And even if we go down to further down from 1 USDT, I'm not saying that we will eventually, guys. I'm just saying that even if we did, then for the long term you will be a winner. I believe you will be a winner because Cardano has strong fundamentals, and I believe that we will go higher. But for me, 1.38 for the short term, guys, you should be a little bit careful. If you want to have Cardano for the short term, just wait a little bit, observe the market. For now, you can see that Bitcoin is having crazy upside downs, and we are going now into a squeeze point in the 4-hour frame. All right, so that's it, the daily update, guys. I will daily update again tomorrow. If you want me to, join our monthly subscription and a Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below, and hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos, guys, going on. Bye.